Hi everyone, I'm Taylor. Welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're going to introduce a Bluetooth headset for warehouse workers and truckers. Right now, let's get started by checking out what's inside the box. Alright, first up, when we open this box, we can see the headset right on the top. And this is how it looks like. I'll dive into the details of its features in just a moment, and before that, let's check out all accessories one by one. Oh, we have user menu here, and I'll put it here. Next up, we have a 2-way charger here. It has 2 ports, so basically you can charge 2 batteries at once. Super convenient. Here, it has a flexible spare battery here, but this one is customized based on your needs. Next up, we have a charging cable here. You can see that straightforward if you use it to plug into this charger. Let me show you here. Yeah, this is how it works. Also, there's a car adapter here. So if you're a truck driver or you often use the headset on the road, in this case, you don't have to buy the extra one. It has 2 USB ports here. Last but not least, what we have here is a replaceable leather ear cushion and also a replaceable foam ear cushion. This one is also customized the number of spare ear cushions based on your needs to extend the headset's lifespan. Lastly, we have this windscreen for the microphone. Here, let me show you. This is a windscreen microphone works. Yeah, I'll put it here. So this is how all the accessories looks like. Now let's get back to headset itself. While holding it in my hand, I can feel immediately how sturdy and durable it is. The stainless steel adjustable headband can fit all head sizes. It's stretchy. And the T-shaped support arm design looks like a whale's tail. I really love this unique touch, and there's a thick foam padding here. Can you see it on the headband, which makes wearing it comfortable and helps to avoid any discomfort from the metal frame. And the microphone arm is adjustable, rotating 270 degrees. It is perfect for both left or right ear users. And now about the ear cushion, it's designed for easy removal. I'll show you. You just twist it to the unlock position and it comes off effortlessly. So replacing it is really quick and simple. Yeah, now let's look at the operation buttons here. The headset features a volume control button here, and also this is a multifunctional button. I love how well spaced the physical buttons here are. They are ideal for people with larger fingers, so you won't accidentally press the wrong one. And in a busy work environment like warehouse, the simpler the design and the higher the efficiency. Also, one more thing to mention, the headset has a built-in battery here. Let me show you how it works. So even while the main battery is charging, and the built-in battery keeps your headset active for up to 15 minutes. Just say goodbye to sudden shutdowns and interruptions during battery replacement. Finally, regarding the pairing, how to pair the headsets, there are 3 ways to connect: standard Bluetooth pairing, NFC pairing, and also the Bluetooth MAC address pairing. So they are very convenient. This is all for this headset and its accessories here. Alright, that's it for today's unboxing video. If you're interested in this headset, don't forget to like, comment, and follow us. We've got more videos every month coming your way. And I'll see you next month.